Y'all know I normally don't wear 18 inches, but she cute though. She cute. Hey dolls and gents, your girl is back with a new video, and when I tell you this wig is ready to wear straight out the box, I did not have to bleach the knots on this wig. I did not have to do any extra plucking. I unboxed this wig with y'all. I installed it, and y'all see how freaking natural this wig looks? Like, what? The only thing that I had to do was cut off the excess lace, add a little bit of foundation underneath the lace so that the lace would match my skin tone, and I just straightened the hair a little bit, but you don't even have to do that. It already comes with this middle parting, and it has a 13x6 frontal, so you get so much parting. And look, that parting is everything. It's already flat AF. You don't have to worry about pulling out that wax stick and really molding the wig down. RPGHair came through with this wig right here. This is the best wig that I've received straight out of the box on my YouTube channel to date. And I've been on YouTube for 14 years, okay? That says a lot. So I want to give a big thank you to RPGHair for sponsoring today's video. I'm so glad I chose this 3-in-1 wig because the hair texture looks really nice and natural. It's giving like a yucky texture, but you can also rock this baby wet and wavy, as I will show y'all later on in the video. So if you would like to see how I installed this wig today, definitely stay tuned, baby. So my wig arrived packaged in this purple box. Inside of the box was this deluxe wig cap, elastic band, and comb. The wig also came with this after sales service card, and it has a how to care guide in it. And here is my wig. It was packaged in this plastic bag, and it also had a wig net around it. So here's the natural texture of the wig. It is like a kinky straight texture, and it is a 3-in-1, so you can also rock it in a wet and wavy style that I will show you later on in the video. Here is the inside of the cap construction. It has 3 wig combs in the front, 1 big wig comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this wig on my head. I am rocking their 18-inch. This is 180% density, 3-in-1 wig. It does have HD lace and a clean hairline with bleach knots, so it is ready to wear straight out of the box. As you can see, it does have a 13x6 lace frontal, so a lot of parting space, and it has freestyle parting, so you can part it wherever on the lace, y'all. So right now I'm just clipping that hair away from the hairline so I can go ahead and cut off that excess lace around my ear tab, as well as the front of the entire hairline. Now this step isn't necessary, but I like applying my foundation underneath my lace so that it blends in flawlessly with my skin tone. I'm using the Lancome Tint Idole foundation in the shade 520 Suede W. I'm going to be adhering my wig today with the 𝐼𝐸 Wonder Lace Spray in the red container. And I'm spraying this across my entire hairline, and I'm going to let it get tacky before I lay my lace down. And I love this lace wig spray because it definitely grips my lace, but it also gives me more like of a temporary wear, so I could take it off that same day or the next day if I would like. So I am taking the blow dryer on a cool setting and just setting that wig spray in place so that my lace does not move. And I'm going to do the exact same steps on the other side of my head. So here's a close-up of the hairline before I used an elastic band to further melt the lace. I think it looks really nice, y'all. So next I'm going to go ahead and get the hair out the way with some clips. This just helps me to be able to really tie down the elastic band as tight as possible with the hair out the way. And I'm going to take my elastic band, go around my entire hairline, and now we're back. I'm completing my makeup. I'm doing the highlighter right now, but if y'all want a makeup tutorial on this look, thumbs up this video and let me know in the comment section down below. So this hair texture looks really nice, y'all. This hairline, I'm not doing any baby hairs because that hairline straight out of the box is honestly amazing. It really looks good. And now I'm just showing you how you can part the hair in different areas on the wig and it looks super nice and natural. So this step is really unnecessary. The wig was already super laid straight out of the box, as I've already mentioned and as you've seen, but I just wanted to go over the top with my hot comb because I'm going to straighten this hair. So let's go ahead and straighten the hair now. It was already straight, but I just want to get some of that texture gone to get it more sleek. So this definitely is going to do the job. I'm using my Chief flat iron. I will link it down below for you guys. It's super easy to straighten this hair. It is very low maintenance hair, y'all. Because this wig has 180% density, it still has a lot of body to it, even with being straightened. So I love that. It really does mimic our natural hair when it's been straightened. So this is a 3-in-1 wig. Now it's time to wear this baby wet and wavy. I'm going to take a spray bottle mixture with water and leave-in conditioner. I'm going to saturate the hair and you're going to see exactly what it looks like. So as you can see, you can rock this hair wet and wavy like this. Looks super sexy, perfect for like vacation or if you're gonna be at the pool. So cute because you can have your hair straight and then when you come out the pool, it's gonna be nice and wavy, like too cute. And do y'all see how easy it was to get these waves? It literally took like 2 minutes just to saturate all the hair down, and that was after fully straightening the hair. So you can wash it and wear it wet and wavy, or you can wet it down like I just did. RPGHair did their thing with this wig. Y'all, I cannot believe how good this hair looks and how easy this was to install. You really do not have to finesse this wig. Some wigs you get out of the box and you have to do a lot of finessing to make that baby look good, which there's nothing wrong with that, but sometimes you just want to pull a wig straight out the box and just wear that baby. Sometimes you don't have time to be bleaching the knots, plucking the hairline, and doing all this extra stuff. So this wig is perfect for beginners. If you do not like customizing your wigs, definitely check this wig out. I will have a link down below to RPGHair's website, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this wig in the comment section down below. Let me know if you think it looks as good on camera. Y'all saw me install it straight from the box, okay? I don't normally do that. And the fact that this wig is so versatile that you can wear it in its natural, kinky, straight state, or you can amp it up, make it a little bit more straight by straightening the hair, or you can rock it wet and wavy, and when that baby dries, it looks so good still. So highly recommend. This wig is super versatile and it's so easy to install right out the box. They have this wig ready to go from jump. If you're looking for a natural length, this 18-inch is giving, okay? It is giving. If you haven't already watched my latest video, click the box right here. It is a foundation review. You do not want to miss it, baby.